It's 17 degrees outside. Ooh, I'm cold. Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here, and yes, it is cold, 17 degrees. I'm sure that's not the low for the day. Well, probably for the day because it's morning, but it was colder last night. How much colder? Well, I don't know. I know the night before, when we thought it was going to be 15, it was 11. And then there's a little bit of wind, so you got to add the wind chill factor there, so technically it's just dang cold. So with that said, let's get on with the video. This is day 3 of our winter weather snowstorm here in the Pacific Northwest. It appears that we didn't have any more rain, ice, sleet, or snow last night. But everything we got over the last couple days is still here because they're calling for a high somewhere in the mid-20s today. We're looking to get just above freezing tomorrow, so all this cold and snow and ice is still going to be here. The roads are clear for the most part. It's not really very slippery until you're on the packed snow. But remember, when things are really cold like this, the ice isn't as slippery. I know that doesn't seem to make a lot of sense to you, but go take an ice cube that's in the freezer, in your deep freeze, and it's really cold and wants to stick to your hand. Then take that ice cube, set it out on the kitchen counter for a little while, and then it's slippery. You need the water with the ice to really make it slippery. So actually, the colder it gets, the better it is for your tires to grip the pavement. But back to the hard-packed snow. That is slippery. But if it was a little bit warmer and there was some water mixed with that snow, it would be really, really, really slippery. Another industry term. Slippery, 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 very slippery, and really, really, really slippery. The de-icer they put out on the highway has kept most of the ice off the heavily traveled lanes. They weren't really able to put the de-icer down before the snow and ice came, which is the preferred method, so it won't freeze on the roadway in the first place, because we had that 3/4 of an inch of rain prior to the snow, and it would have all washed away. So for the most part, the highway is clear and very passable. Side streets are pretty much hard-packed snow. All right, so enjoy the rest of the drive. Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching. And man, is it cold! So I'm here at McDonald's and my window is froze shut. I have to open my door to order and get my food. Who'd have thunk it? Suppose I should have let the car warm up a little more before I hit the road, right?
Meister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.